growing vegetables in containers offers several advantages, making it a popular choice for gardeners of all levels of experience. Here are some reasons why people choose to grow vegetables in containers. 1. Limited space. Container gardening is ideal for individuals with limited outdoor space, such as apartment dwellers, or those without access to a traditional garden plot. Containers can be placed on balconies, patios, windowsills, or small yards. 2. Mobility. Containers are portable, allowing you to move your vegetable garden to take advantage of sunlight, protect plants from extreme weather, or rearrange your outdoor space as needed. 3. Soil control. Containers provide control over the soil quality, which is essential for successful vegetable growth. You can choose the right soil mix for each type of vegetable you want to grow, ensuring optimal nutrient levels and drainage. 4. Pest and disease management. Elevated containers can reduce the risk of pests and diseases attacking your vegetables. It's easier to spot and address issues when your plants are raised off the ground. 5. Weeding and maintenance. Container gardening typically involves less weeding than traditional gardening, as containers are less likely to harbour weed seeds. Maintenance tasks, such as pruning, fertilizing, and watering, are also more manageable in containers. 6. Accessibility. Container gardens are accessible to people with physical limitations, as they can be placed at a convenient height, reducing the need to bend or kneel while gardening. 7. Extend the growing season. You can start your vegetable garden earlier in the spring and extend it into the fall by using containers. Move containers indoors during colder weather or use protective coverings to shield plants from frost. 8. Aesthetic appeal. Container gardens can add visual interest and beauty to your outdoor space. You can choose attractive containers and arrange them artistically, enhancing your overall garden design. 9. Experimentation. Container gardening allows you to experiment with different vegetable varieties, growing conditions, and techniques. This can be especially appealing to gardeners who like to try new things without committing to a large garden plot. 10. Water conservation. Containers can be watered more efficiently as you can target the roots directly. This can help conserve water, which is especially important in regions with water scarcity. 11. Control over plant spacing. In containers, you have full control over the spacing of your vegetables. This can be useful for intensive planting methods like square-foot gardening. Overall, growing vegetables in containers is a flexible and accessible way to enjoy fresh produce, regardless of your gardening experience or available space. It allows you to customize your garden to suit your needs and preferences, while providing many of the benefits of traditional gardening. We hope you had a blooming good time with us today in the garden. If you're as passionate about gardening as we are, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when we release new tips, tricks, and plant care guides.